Hello, my name is Ashley Allen, and this is my portfolio page that includes all of the classes I have taken thus far. This semester was 5305 Instructional Design in a Digital Age. I especially enjoyed creating all of the digital assessment pieces this course. I found several to be informative and meaningful. I especially enjoyed the collaborative instructional design eval tool because it allows you to receive feedback on course expectations, structure and content, assessment items, timing, navigation, visuals, and multimedia elements. And in my course of field, receiving feedback like this is key to helping design various lessons on training management tools. Understanding what a positive element is versus something that could improve is how we as instructional designers better design digital tools or lesson plans. And I especially enjoyed working with my classmates to design this Google Forms. Creating this assignment impacted my view of the importance of authentic assessment is one, we created this tool as a group project, so I learned the importance and impact of group input and feedback and unique creativity that we put together, but also that it takes time to use unique tools that we can lead to impactful assessment pieces. The more patient we are and take time to organize our goals and information, any information needed ahead of time, you will end up with a strong and impactful lesson or evaluation. Knowledge and skills that I gained from creating this authentic assessment piece is the key importance of asking the right questions, setting goals, creating outlines, knowing what your overall conclusion and end goal of your content or lesson plan is, using those organizational and hands-on skills initially, whether you're working individually or with a group, is very essential in creating a strong and informative lesson plan. And this will I had not used Google Forms before, but this is something that I will incorporate into in my current career and in the future. I will remember this because it was fairly straightforward and easy to use, and I actually enjoyed designing it. The most significant word of advice or encouraging feedback that I received from a colleague during this course, there were several very kind messages and great feedback, but one was that someone actually said they resonated with my feedback, and sometimes because I'm not in the educational teaching side of LTDE in this course, sometimes it takes me a bit longer to understand an example or a tool like WebQuest or subject samplers, and to read that someone resonated with my confusion initially is actually very positive feedback, because as a group sometimes we can assume someone else knows more than you do, but sometimes we are going through similarities of learning together, and that really stuck with me when I read that, because sometimes I feel like I might not be understanding as clear as someone that is a teacher. And also, someone mentioned the creativity and design effort the amount of time it took working on this Google Forms. They were impressed and didn't realize you could incorporate different colors or backgrounds or different sections, and that meant a lot because it did take us some time working on this group project, and we had someone that wasn't able to participate. So to collaborate and come together to create an impactful tool that others appreciate really set with me, and I appreciated people took time to be honest and open. Anyways, this semester and all the authentic assessment pieces I took much value from and I plan to use in my future endeavors. Thank you for listening.